All right, let's move on. Talk about what we are seeing out of Barrow County. The Colt Gray proceedings continuing here in just about 10 minutes. Have to be joined this afternoon by Marissa Sarbak, who's been following this for months and kind of all coming to a head today. Marissa, tell us what we've missed this morning and what we should look forward to this afternoon.
Yeah, Dan, certainly a lot has happened in this Barrow County courthouse today, starting, of course, with Colt Gray pleading guilty on 55 counts due to the Apalachee shooting on September 4th, 2024 here in Barrow County. And this has been a very difficult morning in the courtroom. As you can imagine, the emotions are supercharged. Many of these victims' families got up to speak. We heard from Mason Schermerhorn's mom. That was one of the victims who passed away on that fateful day, as well as Christian Angelo's brother. We heard from him as well. We heard from so many people that were either there that day and were directly impacted or were indirectly impacted, people that were impacted because they lost family members or their family members had been shot or in the classroom that Colt tried to break into. So take a listen to some of the victim impact statements that we listened to earlier this morning in court. Well, hopefully we will be able to get that interview for you. That victim impact statement. The emotions in the courtroom were just absolutely supercharged during those victim impact statements. Those have wrapped up. At this point, we are waiting to hear the rest of Jason Smith, the investigator, speak on the stand. We don't have a trial in this case, so this is really just the chance for the prosecution to show why they believe Colt Gray deserves life behind bars without the possibility of parole. Of course, the defense arguing for the possibility of parole, so that is why we are kind of getting a shortened mini trial version, if you will, after that plea of all guilty on all of those 55 counts earlier today. As you said, Dan, court is on lunch recess right now. We are expected back at about 1:15, and we'll keep you updated with what else we hear from inside that courtroom. For now, reporting live in Barrow County, Marissa Sarbak for 11 Alive News.
Marissa, thank you. Listening to some of the detective this morning, I'm wondering is a lot of this new information, or did some of this come out previously during the father's trial a few months ago?
Some of the information that we have heard from today, Dan, as well as some of the victim impact statements, we did hear in court during his father's trial, Colin Gray. The information that we're getting out of the investigator's testimony there on the stand or impact statement, that is many of those things that we're learning are new, including a notebook that was shown to have been Colt Gray's. The investigator Smith saying that he had told investigators that this was not premeditated, this was spontaneous. But taking a look at the images that were seen on the notebook that they found in Colt Gray's possession detailed some disturbing images, drawings of Miss Greer's classroom, the classroom that he tried to breach, the classroom that he had left, as well as a list of names and some disturbing comments as well. So we're hoping to bring those to you soon because we have seen those in court and we are able to stream those for you. But just a lot to get through, a lot of new information there to see through that notebook that, again, Investigator Smith is telling us is that of Colt Gray and was written either the morning of or in the days leading up to that shooting.
Marissa, thank you. Judge Prim has been very punctual up till now, so we expect he'll start things at 1:15. We'll let you get back into the courtroom for some more of your coverage. And thanks again, Marissa Sarbak and Stephen Boise there on the camera.